What's up, babe?
Fine.
Yeah, where you at, man?
I'm at home studying with my friends. I told you I have an examination tomorrow.
Okay, I got you, baby. And happy birthday once more, baby.
Aww.
Aye.
Love you.
My baby, man. We gonna surprise my baby and shit, girl. Yes, man.
Aww.
I appreciate y'all for coming, man. Let's do this, baby. Okay.
Hi guys.
Baby.
How you feeling?
It's my babies, man. Comes back. Let's do this, man.
Tell me.
Give me them cashes, bro. What the fuck?
I'm sorry, babe. Please, I'm sorry.
Can somebody here explain what's going on here?
Moreover, I told you I was practicalizing biology with my friends, Abby.
It's so big.
Babe! Oh my god!
Biology, baby.
You're a bad guy.